So, this is my third attempt at doing my project for week 5. I'm actually not going to taste any wine or cheese because I've already tasted the cheese twice and the wine twice. And to tell you the truth, I'm trying to give in a headache. Having issues with my computer, so it doesn't want to act right. So I have 2 videos of me tasting cheese and wine somewhere on my computer and I can't find it. So I'm just going to give you a rundown of what I did. My 2 wines were both Dark Horse. I'll show you. There's a Cabernet and Dark Horses. Cabernet Sauvignon, and the Chardonnay was the white. Chardonnay is a 2013. Cabernet is 2014. Now my 2 cheeses. I chose the Taleggio, which I got from Heinen's, which is a local grocery store. It's not very stinky. I've smelled stinkier, and it's very mild. And then I also have I think it's Amber Farms Blue Stilton. This is kind of a mild Blue Stilton. If you can see, it doesn't have a whole lot of bluing in it, but still very flavorful. So my conclusions were, the blue cheese went with the Cabernet pretty well. I tasted the blue cheese a lot when I tasted them together. And then I also tasted with the Chardonnay. Kind of canceled out the Chardonnay altogether. So I would definitely drink the blue with the Cabernet and not the Chardonnay. And then Taleggio was very odd. When I tasted it with the Cabernet, it kind of heightened the taste of the Taleggio, almost like putting salt on something, gave it more flavor. But then with the Chardonnay, it left a bitter taste in my mouth, and I didn't like that at all. So perhaps with something else it would go good, but the Taleggio with the Chardonnay, which should work because they're both very light, very mild. They should go together. They should complement each other. But the Taleggio and the Chardonnay together left a bitter taste in my mouth, and I didn't like that. So that was my tasting. Sorry I can't show you a video of tasting the wine and the cheese together. This is my Cabernet. I'm not going to taste it because I've already had a glass and a half of that. And that's it. I'll put the link in with my written report. I also have these, which I did on both the wines, which I will upload also, so you can see my thinking